Welcome to another episode of Conversational Gems. So today we have with us Zeeshan, who is a senior technical support engineer from Zoho Cliq. Hello Zee, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Okay, so you have been with Zoho Cliq for about 6 years now?
Yes.
Okay, so I have few questions for you. How would you describe the best customer interaction and what made this interaction memorable or exceptional?
So in general, we get a lot of customer interactions. So recently I've been to an event where I happened to meet a customer who had a use case which required another team involvement. So I just went ahead and interacted with the team and got the customer use case done.
Wow.
And the feedback which customer provided was it was really good. He mentioned it was too fast and it's it was you support guys are doing really well, and it was kind of a friendship kind of feedback. So it was really nice.
Awesome, yeah. Okay, so did the customer provide any other feedback or express gratitude for your support? And if yes, what did they say?
Yes, so we do get a feedback which generally tells us how good we are. So we get into customer interaction through chat, through a text system, and they provide an feedback. So there are a few, but I'll say one feedback which I got recently from a customer. So it was Zeeshan is really good in providing an update, a timely update, and keeping up its promise to ensure that the ETA what was provided has been completed successfully.
That's great. Okay, so in your opinion, what key skills or qualities contribute to the success of customer interaction?
So when we interact with our customers, the very first thing is we don't know whether the customer is irate. So what we do is we allow customer to speak. So we need to have a listening skill, and we need to ensure that we show an empathy to a customer and have patience so that we can listen to them, and at the end we ensure them that any issues or feedback what they have provided will be forwarded internally and will be taken care.
Right, okay. So how do you ensure empathy and understanding during customers' interactions? So I believe, a lot of customer interactions, there are easy and there are difficult ones. So how do you ensure that empathy when, they are really angry, or, how do you do that?
Exactly. There are customers who went out their anger on us just because the issue is not being fixed, or probably any feature enhancement they have asked for and we failed to commit on that. So we at that particular time, I make sure that what if I am at the customer place and how it would be. So I just allow the customer to speak out, to let his anger,
Your frustration
out. And once that part is being done, I ensure that whatever feedback or feature enhancement was been told to us, that will be done. And we ensure to kind of drop an email, check internally.
Okay.
And then give some follow-ups to see that the customer's anger is been.
It's that. Okay, so you put yourself in customers' shoes.
Exactly.
And that helps you, and empathize with
Yep.
them. Okay, all right. So what steps do you take to go to that extra mile for customer when needed?
So what usually we do is we periodically follow up with customers. So we make sure that they're happily using the product. And to get the feedback what they have, and to if needed, if any integration part, we coordinate with other team members as well. And if in case if a support is required in an urgent base, we make sure that even if you're not in particular shift, we make sure that we call customer or drop an email just to make sure that we are available for that.
Okay, that's nice. Okay. So final question. Is there any area of customer support where you think we could improve based on successful interactions you have had?
Yes, so what I have observed is there are customers who create a request and that lands to a particular team. So rather than we provide an resolution to the customer, the request is being forwarded to another department stating that the concerned team is checking out, and that request goes to and fro.
Right.
That create a kind of delay. And so what we could do over here is like, whatever the issue is, let's coordinate internally and make sure that we are addressing a customer regardless of whatever product they are using. At the end of the day, we all are Zoho.
Right. Nice. Thank you. So thank you so much, Z, for sharing your experience with us.
It's really nice. Thanks. You're welcome, and it was really great having me here.
Okay, thank you. So catch us on another episode of Conversational Gems.